Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlights 2014 GMC Sierra, only way. Start by opening the hood and disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts while you work. Remove the headlight assembly fasteners with a socket, then carefully pull the assembly forward to access the bulb. Release the bulb clip, swap in the new bulb without touching the glass, reseat the assembly, reconnect the battery, and test both beams for proper operation. Prepare the right tools and parts so the job goes smoothly and safely. You will need a 10 mm socket, ratchet, and a flat screwdriver to remove fasteners and clips holding the headlight assembly. Choose bulbs that match the vehicle specification and avoid touching the glass to prevent hot spots. Keep a clean cloth and gloves nearby and work in a well-lit area so you can clearly see connectors and alignment tabs. Follow this sequence to replace the headlight quickly and confidently. With the battery disconnected, remove the visible bolts and clips holding the headlight assembly and gently pull it forward to expose the bulb housing. Unplug the electrical connector, release the bulb retaining clip, and remove the old bulb. Install the new bulb by handling only the base, secure the clip, reconnect the wiring, reseat the assembly, and torque the bolts snugly before reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.